Maximum power at the least possible weight, amplified by low maintenance costs and smooth, linear power delivery. The 2024 KTM 300 XC is set to take the open category back to school. An all-new closed cartridge spring fork and cross-country specific suspension settings hand it the trophy in the handling stakes, while massive power from an engine weighing only 52.6 pounds sets the benchmark when it comes to power-to-weight ratios. Could the 2024 KTM 300 XC be the new open class president? The 2024 KTM XC and XC-F range boasts totally tool-free suspension setup at both ends. Thanks to an all-new WP XACT Close Cartridge spring fork and revised shock absorber, dialing in your cross-country machine is as easy as twisting the throttle. On the rear, a hand-adjustable dual compression control allows riders to adjust high and low speed settings in a matter of seconds. On the front end, the forks are also easily adjusted thanks to hand-adjustable clickers on the bottom of the fork shoe and fork top cap. The airbox is designed with precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation, ensuring maximum airflow and maximum filter protection. The air filter is easily accessed, without tools, by removing the left side panel. Easy maintenance is guaranteed by the twin air filter and filter cage design that features a simple fail-proof mounting system for secure and accurate filter installation. The 2024 KTM XC and XC-F range is engineered and designed to provide riders with easy-to-access service parts, as well as suspension adjustability. This allows faster trackside and off-season maintenance, as well as making cross-country more accessible for novice riders without pit crews. This 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke powerhouse brings a new choice of weapon to the open category and provides more choice for racers looking for maximum power at the least possible weight. Along with low maintenance costs and an overall engine weight of just 52.6 pounds, the 2024 KTM 300 XC provides pure performance. Coupled together with advanced technical innovations, e-start, electronic fuel injection, and an electronic exhaust control, this is the new cross-country kingpin. With electronic fuel injection setting the standard, there's no more jetting setup pre-race, and thanks to the key in EFI, the ECU coming from Vitesco and Reed valve case design, you can be guaranteed of laying down optimal power at any altitude, all of the TIM. The 2024 KTM 300 XC features a map select switch as standard, allowing the racer to switch between two perceptible engine maps. Map 1 provides a linear, predictable power delivery, while Map 2 gives it the full beans with crisp, explosive power output. The 2024 KTM XC and XC-F range features a specially developed rider triangle, providing unmatched knee contact and gripping surfaces, especially when standing on the pegs. While the plastics work to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, the flat seat profile and high-grip orange seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control. A handy grip pocket under the seat, just above the airbox, makes gripping the bike and lifting it much easier. US MSRP price, $C dealer for pricing USD. Canada MSRP price, $C dealer for pricing CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £C dealer for pricing, on the road Inc. 20% VAT. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.